Hi everybody! In this short video, we'll show you how to name cell ranges and what the potential application of this functionality is. In the table on the left, we have a 2-year breakdown of sales. Let's select the cells from C4 to C7, and in the box on the upper left part of our screen, we can type Sales 12. I'll do that in this box right here. Now, let's select the range of 2013 sales from D4 to D7 and name it Sales 13. Okay, perfect. We named the two ranges. Let's put these names in use. First of all, we need to calculate the total for the 2 years. If I go to C8 and type sum and within brackets write Sales 12, I'll obtain the sum of the range which was named earlier. The same goes for the total number of sales in 2013. What if we use the name ranges in a formula without a function in front of them? For example, can I type Sales 12 plus Sales 13? The formula produces an error because we can only sum the sum of ranges, and we cannot sum ranges themselves. Name ranges should be used only within formulas and can facilitate our work when entering the arguments of a new formula. Thanks for watching.